Spring is here. Let's make tulips out of paper rolls. If you like this video or find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. The supplies you'll need are paper rolls, scissors, paintbrush, pencil, and paint. Let's begin by pressing down the paper roll and drawing a tulip. Cut it out, but make sure you don't cut the side of the leaf and the tulip. The next step is to paint the outside and inside of the tulip, stem, and leaves. And these are your finished tulips. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.